Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see a 5G Home Plus Verizon review. Verizon's 5G Home Plus service is a compelling option for those looking for fast and reliable internet, especially as the 5G network continues to grow, starting at $45 per month. It offers speeds similar to other high-speed home internet providers, typically reaching between 300 megabytes to 100 gigabytes. Depending on your location, one standout feature is that it comes with no data caps, which is significant plus for heavy users of data-intensive applications. The service also includes a modem, Wi-Fi 6 router, and a free 3-year price lock, which can help stabilize your monthly costs. However, availability is still expanding, and while it's available in major cities, rural areas might face limited coverage depending on proximity to Verizon's 5G towers. Despite this, Verizon's ongoing upgrades to its network infrastructure are helping to improve service reliability, reducing line time, and making the overall experience smoother. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.